Hi, my name is Ana Arenas. I've been a business consultant for a few years now, and I used to struggle with how to generate leads, how to get clients. And this is probably the number one question that everyone asks me. I think if you type here on YouTube, on Google, everyone wants to know the answer. And there are many answers to these questions, there are many strategies, there are many forms that you can do them. In this video, I'm going to give you my 6 main lead generation strategies. Number 1 is call outreach using video outreach. So this is a very interactive form of getting clients. It takes a little bit more of time because you need to record a personalized video of yourself explaining what you do and how can you help others. The second one is email outreach. Now, email is one of the most valuable assets that you can have because Facebook can be eliminated. They can eliminate also Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, any social media. But if you have email marketing, you have clients there. You control the content, you control who gets there, you control everything. It's very, very powerful, yet most people don't know how to use it. The next one is Facebook organic marketing. Now, Facebook has 2 types of marketing, paid and organic. If you are just starting out and you don't have enough money, I recommend you to start with organic. I'm going to talk about organic here. Why? Because it's a free, easy, quick way to get clients. Right now, it doesn't matter what you do, it doesn't matter your industry, everyone is on Facebook. And if you know how to dominate these strategies, you will probably start to get ongoing clients really, really fast. The next one is LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn works for B2B companies. If you are B2C, I recommend using Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. If you are B2B, I think LinkedIn probably is your number 1 resource. Most people don't know how to use it correctly, so they just spam other people, annoy other people, and that is terrible, it's very sad, and it's a wrong way to use LinkedIn. I'm going to explain my method that I use till today and how I generate clients right now for my consulting company. The next one is social selling. What is social selling? First of all, social selling is to sell without selling. Social selling is where you help people for free. You give them a couple of advices. What I'm doing right now with you is social selling. You are not selling them directly. You are giving them a few tips for free, value for free. Then they reach out to you. They come to you and they say, hey, I need your services. I like what you do. I'm interested in what you said. How can you help me? That is social selling. How can you do it? Why it's valuable, why it's important. Now, social selling is not a strategy for short term. It takes a lot of time because you need to build an authority. You need to build an audience, position yourself, and demonstrate that you can help them. It takes time, but if you are willing to do the work, it definitely pays off in the future. The next one is Facebook groups. I know there are plenty of groups right now on Facebook. Everyone has a group. Everyone is part of a group, but it still works. And if you really know how to do them, if you really know how to use Facebook groups, this can be a very powerful asset. It can be a great place to see who can you sell to filter your prospects, who is a valuable connection, who is not, who is willing to buy from you and who is not. So it's a great place to have a community there because you control it, you control who gets in, you ask them questions, you control the content, and you can just reject people who are not the right fit for you. And last but not least, how to automate and connect all of these or each one of these with ClickFunnels opening a landing page. If you know how to use ClickFunnels, that's great. If you don't know, I will teach you how to do it. If you automate most of this lead generation process, you will get more clients. The problem with lead generation is that most people don't have a system, they are not consistent, and their process is not automated. With ClickFunnels, you automate half of your process, and the other half is semi-automated. I really recommend you to do it. You can say here, hey Anna, but I already have a website. I already have something. I recommend you to have a ClickFunnels account, even if you have a website. It doesn't matter your offer. If you're a service provider, a product provider, you need a funnel. Why? Because it's a one page only. It solves all of your prospects' questions. It does not distract them with other pages. It has only one button because you want them to make one kind of action, to send them somewhere else. So it's a very creative and smart way to be sending your prospect to certain actions to, at the end, make the final decisions to buy from you or not. So everything has a purpose here, and every social media way or lead generation way serves a purpose. Now, you don't need to use them all. I'm going to explain all of us because there are a lot of people here watching from all kinds of industries and services. Not all of them are for you. You need to pick one. You need to pick the one that fits you. If you want to be in all social media platforms, you will be burned out. You don't have time to do all social media. You need to pick one and be the best one at it. Which one? I will tell you which one. Now, the secret here is be consistent. Set a time to do it every single day. I have an alarm in my phone, and I know that every day from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. is direct outreach time for me, and I am consistent. So remember something, done is better than perfect. Now, if you want to tell me, if you want to learn a particular strategy for the one that I just mentioned, comment here. I'm going to create a video for each kind of strategy because I cannot go into here, it would be like a 5-hour video. So I'm going to separate everything. Please make sure to subscribe and to tune in so that you can watch all of them. I recommend you to watch all of the videos. Why? Even though you're not going to use all of them, you need to know all of them in order to make the best decision for you. So stay tuned here, subscribe, pay attention to the upcoming videos, and if you have any particular question, don't forget to comment here. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I see you in the next video.